it's Wengie. Welcome to my home. I am so excited to show you guys how I transformed this or how a professional did. I actually hired an interior designer for the first time to decorate my home. This is the first professionally decorated home I've ever had, so I'm really excited to show you. Even though I love interior design, I love furniture pieces, I would pick everything that I love and realize they don't fit together. You guys look good by yourself, but you guys look horrible together. So I decided to hire someone professional that knows how to realize when things look horrible together, and this is what we came up with. Let's go. Alright guys, this is the first piece I'm going to show you. This is the entry hall piece of furniture. It's super decorated and it's what you see when you just come in. I'm going to show you guys one of my favorite places in the whole entire house, but let's head to the kitchen now. Okay guys, I spend way too much time in this place. This is the kitchen. I film a lot in here. Not much has changed. I've got a lot of plants and also some random like table decorations. I actually don't use this tea set, literally just for show, and some salt and pepper shakers. Apparently these look good on a kitchen bench, but I don't want to use it because you know what, when something's nicely decorated and you actually start using it, you gotta like wash it and put it back. So guys, I got this dining table second hand. It's a complete marble table. It is really heavy. It took like 2 to 3 men to pick it up. This is imported from Germany. Sounds really fancy, but because I got a second hand, I saved so much money. I wanted a really quality piece of furniture for my dining table because I know I'm going to spend so much time here, and it is solid. Welcome to my giant couch, sofa, whatever you call it. Go down below and comment whether you say couch or sofa. I sit here and I can't reach the back. When I do reach the back, my legs are literally like, do I have short legs or is the couch too big? I like to think that the couch is too big. I actually got this couch because it was so big. Oh, I picked this piece too. I'm very proud, but they decorated. One of my cats are pooping. Are you good, Coco? They have a private bathroom. I'll show you guys in a second. I like square couches without arms, and because I got such a big couch, they had to find a really big coffee table to match it. Floor lamps, we got some plants, we got some cushions, we got this cushion. I don't think it matches the decor, but I really like it. Behind the couch is this display piece. It's got all my favorite things on it and a bunch of things that are incomplete. So you can see there's a bunch of photo frames. I haven't actually put photos in, so all my photos are digital. Thank you Roblox for sending me this super cute Roblox snow globe. And thanks to my videographer for giving me this cute Christmas present. It's my collabs EP album. Oh, these are flowers that Max got me for Valentine's Day. They're kind of dead. I think I should throw them away, but they're still good. And this is my favorite part of the living room and also most unused. So there's one of those display pieces where it's just like, you look so pretty, but like, I kind of don't know what to do with you. I kind of film here a bit, but I really love this couch. This couch is covered in Boomba's fur. So this is his favorite spot to sit now. He sits in between the grooves of this couch and he's just like... From the empty house tour, I showed you guys these columns of these poles. They're good to hug. What we ended up doing is wrapping them in this beautiful like marble wallpaper. Also, if you guys haven't noticed already, there is wallpaper wrapped around the living room and also some other rooms. This Wallhub for the wallpaper. I'm gonna link them down below if you're interested. You know you're a crazy cat lady when you dedicate a whole section of your apartment to a cat jungle gym. I don't know what you call this. It's like a cat climber. They really like this place. So this is all for the cats, this whole corner. And around the cat corner is the cat bathroom. It's literally only their bathroom. Welcome to my gym, guys. This is the gym room where I've dedicated to exercising and working out. Being stuck at home really made me love food too much. It was the only interesting thing in my life. I know, you love food too, Boomba. I decided to create a gym room to encourage and reward myself to work out and get healthier. So I've even put a huge TV in this room so I could watch Netflix while using this like rowing gym machine that I got. If you guys are having trouble doing that, like why don't you only watch a show when you work out and then you'll look forward to working out. It's like really weird how your brain gets tricked. Welcome to my office. It's all about music and games right here. I have my Secret Lab chair, which a lot of people love. Thanks Secret Lab for sending me this. I've got my little snacky. Thanks Razer. I have a whole Razer desktop setup here. I've got my Razer keyboard. Oh, by the way, fun fact, this microphone right here cost me like $5,000. I should spend more time here. I spend way too much time on the bed and not enough time here. I keep all my makeup here, so check out how much makeup I have just collected over the years. In this cupboard right here is where all my YouTube buttons are that I can find. I'm supposed to have about 11 to 12 YouTube buttons. This is how many I found. I don't know where the others are. Maybe I never requested to get them. This is my special little award shrine. Am I bringing back memories? Everyone remembers YouTube back in the day when we used to all just film in front of our beds. I actually rarely film in here these days actually because, you know, we never film in our bedrooms anymore. We have like sets and like crazy things now, but like, you know what? I miss the simple days. Why can't we just all come back and do like a whole video in front of our beds? I have my vanity area with the really cool lights that I really love. That's like the vibe I really wanted to get. So I bought the light thing. It just like stands up. I was gonna like install it on a wall. Then I realized my room doesn't have much wall space for these things to be installed on. I have a bunch of clothes, of course, everywhere. Lots and lots of clothes. I have like 2 whole wardrobes in here as well as this clothing stand. That's a lot of clothes. Here is the secondary wardrobe where I keep a lot of costume and things I wear for videos. So I really feel like I need to minimize my clothing, but it's just so hard to get rid of stuff, guys. It's just so hard. This is my bathroom, guys. I love this place. I have a bathtub, which really makes my day because I love taking baths like very often. Also because the shower head in this bathroom, the water pressure is way too hard. I feel like I'm being attacked by water every time I turn it on. So I actually hardly shower in here. If I use a shower, I borrow Max's shower in his bathroom. But like otherwise, I love taking baths here, and getting into my robe hanging here every day is like a luxury. I have too many skincare products, guys. It hardly even fits in all the storage in this bathroom, but I love the lighting in here. It's always really bright. All right, let's say hi to Max. Let's see what his room looks like now.
It was a lot cleaner before.
Yeah, it was a lot cleaner before. Now this is where all his equipment is, and he has so many monitors. This is where he does all his work.
And I have this one with me.
Luna's been in his room this whole time. We're trying to get her settled in because our house is so big, we don't have her running around. So our house isn't cat proof yet, so she's just been like in here for the past couple of days. But yeah, this is what his room looks like now. Alright guys, this is where the magic happens. This is my DIY filming room or slash just filming room in general. A lot of my videos are shot here, so here's the behind the scenes of what it actually looks like. It's actually really packed. It's where we keep all our supplies. It's where everything goes. All the lighting, all the equipment is in the cupboard over there. We even have like backdrops and green screens hanging up on the other side of this set. This is how big my shooting light is, guys. It's huge. Also, we have a bunch of other equipment and supplies, and the DIY storeroom is insane, guys. We have so much stuff in there because we do so many DIYs and things from videos we collect, and we don't want to throw them all away, so we keep them here. It's literally spilling out onto this actual filming area because we have so much stuff. And yeah, this is it. This is where I do a lot of my stuff on YouTube. It's just this cute little room. I think it was supposed to be like a secondary family room. We've just basically turned into a set. Let me know what you thought below of the makeover of my apartment. Was it worth getting a professional doing this? Thanks for visiting my home. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye, love you.
'Cause I'm the thing you want, I'm the thing you want, I'm the thing you want, baby.